In this video,
I can start seeing the beautiful view over there.
you're gonna see how one of the most popular hikes in Cebu looks like.
It's really tasty though.
From beautiful cityscape of Cebu
Look at this view, it's so nice.
to fun splash in waterfalls.
This waterfall is really good.
Today we are gonna hike Sirao Trail and it all starts from here.
So good morning from Barangay Budlaan. So we are in this Sirao Trail, and this is one of the most popular trail. What did you do? So I've been here 4 or 5 times already, so I know how this trail is like, but I just want to show how good this trail is. So we are at the beginning point of this trail, so my friends are coming from behind. Yeah, this is a kind of chill hike, just a easy hike because I'm gonna have a major hike next month. So yeah, we're gonna just use this trail as a training for me to go up the Mount Kang-Irag. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so we are now going down to Budlaan Waterfall. Yeah, I've been there sometime, but I think there's a little bit change going on around here. Cause it was kind of a bit different from the time we came here before. I think I didn't take this path though.
From there, we had to get through a bushy trail wading the plant covering up the path. And then we reached the river.
Alright, so now we came down to the river, but it was kind of difficult. It's very different from what it used to be, because it was really easy to get down to the river, but somehow we need to kind of go through a lot of weed and a very small path to come here, and we're gonna go up the river and then go to the waterfall. But now it's so difficult. Maybe after the typhoon things has been changed. Alright, so we're gonna go up this river to go to the waterfall, and then yeah, they are chilling over there. Alright, so we are going up the river now to go to the waterfall. This is much easier than getting to the river, although you need to be careful about the rocks and where to step on. Alright, let's continue.
So we crossed the river and walked up to the waterfalls.
So now we arrive at the first level of Budlaan Waterfall, and which is right here. So we're gonna go up the kind of stair, rock stair kind of thing to go up to the second level of waterfall. So we're gonna keep going up the river and then going up to the Sirao Peak.
Before going up to the second level of waterfalls, we took a break in a cottage next to the river. Then we walked up to the rocks to go to another waterfalls.
So we are now going up to the second level of waterfall, and then we took a break in a cottage over there. And with the garden, it's a kind of really good, beautiful garden. Yeah, I've been come here many times. It's not my first time though. Yeah, it's really good. There's some people over there. Check this out. This one is actually really nice. There are some international people here today. You can still come down from there. Yeah. Oh. I think we took a difficult way to come here.
After passing by the waterfalls, we climbed up the rocks beside the waterfalls to go up.
So we didn't stop at the waterfall, so we came up on the side of waterfall. Now we are on the top of waterfall. Check this out. So we are now on the top of waterfall. So that's where we are before. It was actually a bit steepy though. And then yeah, people are still swimming. Although the color of this water is not as clean as you think. The day before we have a lot of rainfall. Yeah, so we're gonna continue going up this river a little bit and then going up to the Sirao Peak.
While tracing up the river, we stopped by another waterfalls and took a short break. Then we continued our hike to Sirao Peak.
So we came up from Budlaan Waterfall to another waterfall, but this waterfall seems to be much clearer, much cleaner than the waterfall downstream. Feel like much more swimmable. But this is a nice place to take a rest, I think. Yeah, we're gonna take a moment a little bit and then yeah, maybe I'm gonna swim. This waterfall is actually really good. Rather than just swim in the Budlaan Waterfall, I think it's better to swim here, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back.
After leaving the waterfalls, we took another break.
So we came up from the waterfalls and then we reached this house, and this house selling the Buko, so that's why we are drinking a Buko right now. It's really tasty though. So yeah, if you come up from the river, yeah, drink Buko. Alright, so we are leaving from the Kuya's house. Actually, it was actually really good rest. I think we are taking a rest a lot, but it was actually a good place. And yeah, Buko was tasty, and Kuya was kind. From here, it's not gonna be so hard. It's kind of moderate, uphill a little bit. We came up to the open place, and then the peak is over there. It's not that so far. So from the Kuya's Buko's house to here, it's like only 1 minute. So yeah, this is like really beautiful. So we're gonna just go up. It's not gonna be so crazy.
While going up the trail, we found the barbecue stand, so we stopped by again.
Yeah, so there's a barbecue hand when you come up from the playing field, and then we order the barbecue. And then I don't know which barangay is this, but we are basically keep taking a break.
You don't know the barangay name? Ilang barangay? Sirao.
Oh, it's already Sirao. Yeah, that's the kind of our chill hike, our lazy hike, I guess. So now we left the barbecue place and we are going up to the peak. Actually, the peak is bought by developer, so we don't have access to the peak, but we're gonna go to the foot of Sirao Peak. There are several cottages. I can see it from here, and then I can start seeing it. The beautiful view over there. That's so nice. So now I can see the Mt Kang-Irag Island and the Bohol. As you go up, you're gonna see more. Yeah, it's better to make an effort.
From there to the campsite, it was an easy hike. After 15 minutes, we arrived there.
Alright, so now we enter the Kang-Irag Campsite. This is the place where we finish our hike. We used to hike further, but as I say, the peak of the Sirao is bought by the private company, so we don't have access to the top. But it's fine. But this place is really good, spacious, a lot of grassland, well maintained. This is the campsite, so you can set up your tent here. But the view is actually amazing though. Check this out. Right now I'm standing on the edge of the campsite, but look at this view, it's so nice. You can see Mt Kang-Irag Island, Bohol, and then I'm not sure, there's a Camotes Island over there. So the view is absolutely nice. But it's so beginner friendly, but the view is actually nice. So if you come to Cebu, I recommend you to hike to this campsite.
Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises, or fall asleep instead.
Alright, so as I said, this is a campsite, so you have a cottage over there, also the kind of store where you can buy drink and a snack, and also we have a toilet over here, and then plenty of space to pitch your tent, which is really nice. But we used to hike up to the mountain over there, but again, we don't have access. We are not allowed to get up right now. That's why we are staying here. So we are leaving from the campsite and then going back to the Cebu city. We are going down to the JY Square by motorcycle. So we are now going to the highway to take our motorcycle ride. So yeah, it has been a really good hike. It's so chill, laid back, relaxed hike. Nothing special. The view is always nice. Maybe you can see the same view from the top of Cebu or Busai area. If you come from the other part in the Philippines to Cebu, maybe you can try this hike if you like the nature, or you can just want to see the view, then you can go up to the top of Cebu or something like that. So this is the Sirao hike, one of the most popular hike trail in Cebu, alongside with maybe Spartan Trail and Babago Trail. So if you like the content like this, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and then see you in the next video. Peace. So we are going down to take a motorcycle, but I just stumbled upon this view. It's so nice. Seems like this place is kind of mini golf course. I don't know, but private place. I'm still enjoying. So see you in the next video.